let's talk about some winter layering combos, which are body mists with perfumes. Hi guys, I'm Pradha and welcome to today's video. इससे पहले कि सर्दी बिल्कुल खत्म हो जाए, let me share some winter layering combos for this year. और I think सिर्फ एक fragrance है that I have brought back. All of these are new in my collection, so I'm super excited to share these winter layering combos with you because I know a lot of you really enjoy layering your body mists with your perfumes. And I just like always, मैं फिर से अपने आप को रिपीट करना चाहूँगी that I do not go crazy with layering. मैं similar family के fragrances को layer करना पसंद करती हूँ. I do not like going in two different directions with layering. So yes, with that thought, let's quickly get started with the first combo. And the first combo that we have is Kamra Kava along with Autumn Shore from Victoria's Secret. Autumn Shore इस साल आया था and I don't know, for some reason I was pretty excited for this one और मैंने इसमें इतना डेंट डाल भी दिया है. Nowadays I'm feeling कि मेरी नाक और ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव होती जा रही है फ्रेगरेंसेस की तरफ और मुझे बहुत सारे स्प्रेज आजकल नहीं चाहिए होते. So this, as you already know, this is a beautiful spicy coffee fragrance and आपको हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि कामरा का एक different version है. This is not like just a flanker. This is a fragrance of its own. थोड़ी like 20% resemblance है, but we are here for this fragrance. So this is like a black, sweet, spicy, thick coffee in here, and Autumn Shore is a very, very beautiful husky coffee and very, it has that a sandy feel to it along with the coffee. So I really like that about this. और ये एक बहुत ही modern coffee fragrance है in my personal opinion. तो the combination of these two बहुत सही बैठता है क्योंकि दोनों में ही coffee note है and has that huskiness from the coffee. ये एक all year round fragrance भी हो सकती है, but because of the coffee note and also because this is the only coffee body mist that I have in my collection, I love layering these two together. The next combination that I have is Teriyak from Latafa along with Snowflakes and Cashmere from Bath & Body Works. Now this combination, okay, so this one is like a little loud and a little animalic, nasty kind of fragrance, like a sensual but nasty. Like, अगर मैं सही शब्दों में बोलूँ, this smells like how your body would smell after having sex, but mixed with your perfume. There is no other way to it. It smells like sex to me. And then Snowflakes and Cashmere is a very classy kind of sexy fragrance in my personal opinion. This is a sweet woody fragrance through and through, but still I just feel that it has a bit of this perfumey classiness to it. It's a very sophisticated, very beautiful fragrance. I love mixing these two together क्योंकि ये दोनों ही sweet fragrances हैं and I just feel कि I've never explained Teriyak better than this ever before, or I was always holding myself back for telling you guys that how nasty and how sexy this fragrance is, but that is what it smells like to me. So it has a very strong animalic feel to it. So the combination of these two is just amazing and they go really well together with each other. Okay, so the next combination is Burberry Goddess along with Cozy Bourbon Vanilla. Now Burberry Goddess is not a gourmand and this one is slightly like a perfumey version of a gourmand fragrance. तो Burberry Goddess का अगर मैं सच में आपको बताऊँ ना, it up close might not smell like a very special fragrance to you initially, लेकिन once you wear it and the moment it starts projecting and starts giving a throw, इसका सियाज बहुत ही classy, rich, money type का सियाज है and up close ही शायद उतनी special नहीं लगती है, but in the air it smells very rich and sophisticated and money like and literally like a goddess, a woman who is rich, lives in mansion and owns a lot of money and designer things. It smells like that. And along with that, just in winters के लिए, to add a little bit of the coziness and to add a little bit of more sweetness to it, I layer it with Cozy Bourbon Vanilla. It just adds the perfect amount of cozy, fuzzy vanilla feel to the already beautiful Burberry Goddess, and the combination works amazing and just goes well with each other. The next combo I have is Fields at Nightfall along with Jolly Gingerbread Village, and this is from Zara, this is from Bath and Body Works for those who don't know. So this one is a beautiful creamy sandalwoody lactonic kind of fragrance, less of lactonic, more of this स्वीट क्रीमी फजी सैंडलवुड. और जॉली जिंजरब्रेड विलेज एक ब्यूटिफुल स्पाइसी वुडी फ्रेग्रेंस है, नॉट टू स्पाइसी, इट्स मोर लाइक जिंजरब्रेड मिक्स्ड विद टिम्बर, यू नो, टिम्बर पेस्ट. ओके, तो अगर टिम्बर का पेस्ट बना दो और उन दोनों चीज़ों को, जिंजरब्रेड के डो को और टिम्बर के पेस्ट को मिला दो, how they would smell together, that is what it smells like. And for me, this is a very beautiful cozy combination to stay at home, to just smell beautiful at home, maybe like a stay in date kind of combination where you would smell a little classy but still very cozy and beautiful and inviting. So that kind of combination in here, and trust me, try these two together and tell me whether they go together or not, because for me they work really well. The next combination that I'm doing these days is Eclair from Latafa along with Shirosa 72 from Sol de Janeiro. A combination, it's like a match made in heaven. We have powdery caramelized vanilla in here, and we have caramelized salty vanilla in here. This smells like warm cookies, this smells like warm eclairs. Mix them two together and you literally smell like a walking bakery, and there cannot be any better combination than this. जिनके पास शिरोसा 71 नहीं है वो हैप्पी बर्थडे बाय कर सकते हैं बाथ एंड बॉडी वर्क से. सो हैप्पी बर्थडे is going to do this similar kind of work. This too smells pretty similar to Shirosa 71, but like a lighter and like a colder version, slightly colder version of it. But yeah, it does the job. But this combo in here, this is like heaven for the gourmand lovers, and trust me, if you layer these together, you're going to thank me later on. The next combination that I have is Cherry Smoothie from Zara and Cherry Elixir from Victoria's Secret. God, these both are cherry fragrances. This one is a sweet dessert like cake, like fresh cherries but with a red velvet cake. On the other hand, this one is a nutty cherry. ये थोड़ी सी boozy, थोड़ी nutty, थोड़ी almondy और थोड़ी सी sweet sour side पे है. So this has slight bit of that, you know, mature, boozy, nasty vibe to it. This is like a gothic vibe kind of body mist. Mixing these two together just makes a beautiful cherry combination for me, and I really enjoy it. In fact, cherry smoothie एक ऐसी fragrance है जिसको मैंने काफ़ी enjoy किया है, लेकिन इसके ज़्यादा sprays मुझे नहीं चाहिए होते. Just 2 sprays does the work for me, and goes the same for this one as well. इसके भी बहुत ज़्यादा sprays नहीं चाहिए होते हैं. This is also a very beautiful cherry fragrance. But yeah, because I have it, so I layer them together. You can layer it with some other dark body mist as well. But cherry smoothie is beautiful. The next combination that we have is Hypnotic Vanilla with Star Smoked Amber from Victoria's Secret. ये Zara का Hypnotic Vanilla है, and this is a very beautiful dupe of Hypnotic Poison from Dior. ये एक बहुत अच्छी beautiful warm nutty और थोड़ी सी powdery vanillic fragrance है, which is very sophisticated and nice. On the other hand, इसमें मुझे हमेशा ये feel होता है कि for the winters, I just feel that it lacks a little bit of the sweetness. So to enhance that sweetness, I layer it with Star Smoked Amber. This is a beautiful, smoky, woody, sweet fragrance, more like Replica's Fireplace. मैं तो कहूँगी कि अभी तक मैंने जितनी भी चीज़ें रेप्लिकास फायरप्लेस के एज ड्यूप्स ट्राई किए हैं, दिस इज़ द बेस्ट सो फार इन माई कलेक्शन, एंड आई जस्ट लव लेयरिंग दीज टू टुगेदर. इसकी स्वीटनेस की शॉर्ट कमिंग स्टार स्मोक्ड एम्बर पूरी कर देता है, एंड आई जस्ट लव कंबाइनिंग दैम टुगेदर. एक बहुत अच्छी विंटरी, स्मोकी और कोजी फजी वाइब क्रिएट हो जाती है इन दोनों को लेयर करने के बाद. डू ट्राई दिस कॉम्बिनेशन. The next combo that I have is Kissa Delicious with Pumpkin Swirl Cake. Now, Kissa Delicious एक बहुत beautiful orangey और chocolatey fragrance है which has a slight bit of coconut to it, but still this is a very perfumey fragrance. Gourmand lines पे है but not exactly like a true gourmand. So it's a very perfumey take on a chocolatey and orangey vanillic fragrance और बहुत beautiful fragrance है ये. मुझे लगा नहीं था कि that I would fall for this so much, but I'm reaching out for this quite a lot these winters, and I layer it with pumpkin swirl cake. Now let's talk a little bit about pumpkin swirl cake. A lot of you have been saying that it smells like wet socks, and then a comment came and then a lot of people agreed to it. I don't know guys, it smells like a cake to me. I do not smell the wet socks thing in it because probably my socks never reach the stage of getting wet in the shoes. I don't know. Probably I'm just not that sweaty of a person. So I just smell a spicy warm cake in here, nothing more than that. मुझे वो wet socks वाला feel बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहा है, तो probably my nose and brain does not work that way. So I love mixing these two together. एक perfumey fragrance को थोड़ा सा gourmand, extra gourmand touch देने के लिए this combination works great for me, and it's a very beautiful, cozy, fuzzy, warm and sweet kind of combination in my personal opinion for the winters. Okay, so this next combination is going to be more like a daytime combination for winters, and that is Khair Confection along with Private Sun Deck from Victoria's Secret. मैंने Private Sun Deck को इतना ज़्यादा appreciate नहीं किया था initially, but this has macerated and has got better. तो Khair Confection एक बहुत beautiful, sexy, sensual vanilla fragrance है which is more on the perfumey lines. It's not like a gourmand fragrance. This is a very good candied pear but still like a slightly sexy vanillic fragrance in here, which is great, which is beautiful, which is easy reach, versatile, and I just love it. And on the other hand, and also has a lot of classiness and like a professional vibe to it. It is that kind of fragrance जो आपको बहुत easily access देगी कि आप एक professional setup से और एक personal setup में या date setup में enter कर सके without changing your fragrance. So it's that kind of fragrance, and along with that, I like layering Private Sun Deck for the daytime especially. Private Sun Deck is a very beautiful, warm yet fresh kind of classy, sweet fragrance. It has a very creamy vibe to it for some reason. So it's like a mix of florals, huskiness and creaminess at the same time. Citrus और honey का mix है इसमें, but with a bit of pineapple and tonka. For the daytime, this is a beautiful, classy, smelling rich, smelling like money kind of fragrance combination in here. And if you haven't tried Private Sun Deck yet, and if it is still available and if it is on sale, do get it because you will not regret this purchase. I am sorry, but I cannot help myself for this next combination. I have to bring this one back, and that is Nebras from Latafa along with Basic Vanilla from Victoria's Secret. This is like my most favorite winter combination, and I cannot go without mentioning this. First of all, Nebras मेरी most favorite vanilla fragrance है out of all, and I just have still not got over it yet. I am still not bored of it. I still love it a lot. On the other hand, Basic Vanilla, now this has a licorice note to it, and back in the days मैंने ये भी आपसे कहा था कि this is like a perfume version of Basic Vanilla from Victoria's Secret, like a perfumey elevated version of Basic Vanilla. And then Basic Vanilla is simple chai like elaichi doodh like kind of fragrance in here, which is a very beautiful, yummy vanilla in my personal opinion. I'm all the ways down till here with this one. मैंने इसको बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ किया है, मैं अभी भी इसको बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ कर रही हूँ. Sadly ये आना बंद हो हो गया है वेबसाइट पे, so the day this will come back, I will quickly stock it up. This combination works great for me. I can wear it in and out of the house in both cases, and the next time my husband is going to take me out, because the last time he took me out I was wearing Kamra Kawa. The next time that we are going out, I'm definitely wearing this combination. I have been wearing it just around the house lately. I'm sorry I just have the sample for the next one, but I'm definitely going to buy a full bottle on this, and that is Shagaf Oud Tonka. And along with that, I layer it with Pastel Skies from Bath and Body Works. Shagaf Oud Tonka एक बहुत beautiful, creamy, husky, slightly sweet, sophisticated, mature टोंका बीन और थोड़ी सी फ्रेश वाइब वाली फ्रेग्रेंस है, which is just amazing, which is just have to have in your collection kind of fragrance, and that's why I'm going to buy a full bottle on this. इस फ्रेग्रेंस का कोई कंपैरिजन ही नहीं है. इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट दी क्लासी सोफिस्टिकेटेड फ्रेग्रेंसेस वेयर यू वुड स्मेल लाइक मनी एंड फील लाइक रिच मनी, then this is the fragrance to go for. And I layer it with Pastel Skies, because Pastel Skies भी एक बहुत mellowed down, soft, sweet, fluffy, warm, coconutty fragrance है. And I just feel that they both go really well together, and they kind of make a good combination because they are so soft and subtle, both of them at the same time. So this combination is just great. So if you have these two in your collection, try this combination and let me know in the comment section. And the last layering combination of this list is December Vanilla from Paris Corner along with Bare Vanilla Decadent. How can I not include just one Bare Vanilla in this list? I have each and every Bare Vanilla out there. बस मैंने ना एक point आया था Bare Vanilla Luxe वाला point where I left it. I was like, I am done buying more Bare Vanillas. I have so many Bare Vanillas in my collection that I don't want to buy anymore. That's why मैंने Cashmere और Splash को बिल्कुल ignore कर दिया. But coming back to December Vanilla. December Vanilla is a very beautiful, sexy, spicy, thick, deep, smoky kind of woody vanillic fragrance. जो भी लोग बोल रहे हैं कि ये पान मसाला जैसा स्मेल करती है, give it 10 minutes. First of all, macerate it. Then after that, give it 10 minutes to settle down, and it will turn into the most thick, sweet, dense, spicy, smoky, woody kind of fragrance. Trust me on that. And to match that whole vibe of that smoky woody vanilla, I layer it with Bare Vanilla Decadent. In my personal opinion, आज तक जितने भी Bare Vanilla के flankers आए हैं ना, उनमें Decadent has to be the most beautiful in my personal opinion. This is a great woody, oody kind of vanillic fragrance in here, which is cozy, fuzzy, but still very, slightly oody, but in a very modern way. So this vanilla from Bare Vanilla line is my favorite, and I love layering these two together क्योंकि इनका vibe थोड़ा थोड़ा match करता है, because this is like a very similar kind of fragrance to Vanilla 28 from Khayali. So those were my winter layering combinations for this year. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. अगर कोई और winter layering combinations हैं जो आप wear करते हो और वो एकदम perfectly एक दूसरे के साथ fit बैठते हैं, that can be 2 different perfumes, 2 different body mists, or a body mist or a perfume, whatever you layer together and it just works for you and smells very beautiful, do share with us in the comment section, because we would love to know about that how wild you are with your perfume combinations. We would love to know that. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep looking beautiful, keep smelling good. Have a great day all. Bye bye. Mwah.